There's still one more thing I must do before I go.
Go, Slinky, go! Oh, man! You, pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah! If I can just find a parking spot.
You must be the Monopoly guy. Thanks for the free parking. That's quite a rack you're wearing.
There's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature.
Alrighty then.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
At this point, we don't have any leads, but we've had similar problems in the past. Oh. Sorry. Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said to have been raised by Aborigines. Aborigines. The natives call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been
Mr. Ventura! This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you.
Honk, 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 honk.
Hey-ho, Silver, away! Bumbleway tuna. Bumbleway tuna.
Hi there, nice to see you. Bumblebee tuna? Bumblebee tuna! Excuse me. Your balls are showing. Bumblebee tuna?
Libby, libby, wah.
Oh, my goodness. The chief really seems to like you. I mean, that is a great sign of affection in the Wachati tribe.
I like you.
Aren't I the popular one? What type of bat are we talking about here?
To the natives, Shikaka.
Shakaka.
Shikaka! Shikasha!
Ah.
Shish kebab. Shawshank Redemption.
Chicago! You're out of there! Go on. You're gone. Go on.
Kinda hot in these rhinos. Time to get some oxygen.
Mayday! Must have air.
Come on, girls.
The mother rhino is giving birth. Mommy!
I can feel it like it's right in my neck.
Run! Starting to get numb. 3 darts is too much. I think I lost him.
Hey!
White devil.
Tell him what I'm saying.
Indi inkosazana ilwa manje noma uhambe.
I have to beat him? Alrighty then. Nobody messes with the dude. Throw it. I dare ya.
Owner! Don't just stand there! Throw me a spear!
It's in the bone. It's in the bone.